Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Colosseum. First, set up the game board by placing the Emperor's Loge, 5 event tokens, and the score track. Each player then chooses a color, taking an arena board, 5 arena segments, and 40,000 sestertii. You also receive 1 Emperor's Seal, 1 score marker, and a player aid card. Finally, shuffle the 12 Emperor event cards and place them face down. Colosseum is played over 5 exciting rounds, with each round comprising 5 distinct phases. These phases are Emperor's Favor, Acquire Assets, Trading, Exhibition, and End of Round. During your turn, you will perform actions such as acquiring new assets like performers or blueprints, or engaging in strategic trading with other players. The goal is to stage the most spectacular exhibitions possible to earn valuable victory points. A key part of the game is the Acquire Assets phase, where players participate in an auction for new performers, props, and blueprints. You'll bid your sestertii to gain valuable resources for your arena. Following this, the exhibition phase allows you to stage a grand show using your collected assets. Matching specific performers and props to your blueprints is crucial, as this maximizes your exhibition's prestige and potential score. Exhibition prestige is carefully calculated based on the number and specific types of assets you successfully use. You'll earn bonus points for matching particular performer types to your blueprints, significantly boosting your score. Players then advance their score marker on the track, reflecting their exhibition's prestige. After 5 full rounds, the player who has accumulated the highest total score is crowned the ultimate winner of the Colosseum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.